Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off NFC payments in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn NFC off, we have to go to settings menu, and here in connections we have NFC and contactless payments turn on by default. Here is a little explanation. What does it do? We are just using phone like a debit card. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box here, and now our NFC and other contactless payments will be turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.